Saving money is an essential skill that can lead to financial security, freedom, and the ability to achieve your goals. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or achieve a specific financial milestone, here's a comprehensive guide on how to save money effectively. 1. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals. Identify short-term goals, like building an emergency fund, and long-term goals, like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Having clear goals will motivate you to save consistently. 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your financial situation. Create a detailed budget that outlines your monthly income, fixed expenses, like rent and utilities, variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment, and savings goals. Stick to your budget to ensure you're spending less than you earn. 3. Reduce unnecessary spending. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Analyze discretionary spending, like dining out, entertainment, and shopping, and look for ways to limit these expenses. 4. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that you save before you have a chance to spend. 5. Comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, research prices and compare options. Take advantage of coupons, discounts, and cashback offers. Online tools can help you find the best deals. 6. Cook at home. Eating out can quickly drain your budget. Cook meals at home to save money on food expenses. Plan your meals, buy groceries in bulk, and use leftovers wisely. 7. Negotiate bills. Contact service providers, like cable, internet, or insurance companies, to negotiate lower rates. Loyalty doesn't always pay. Often, a simple phone call can lead to reduced bills. 8. Minimize credit card debt. Pay off high-interest credit card debt as quickly as possible. The interest on credit card balances can quickly accumulate, making it harder to save money. 9. Use cash envelopes. For categories where you tend to overspend, like entertainment or dining out, use cash envelopes. Withdraw a specific amount of cash at the beginning of the month and limit your spending to that amount. 10. Build an emergency fund. Prioritize building an emergency fund equal to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net during unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss. 11. Avoid impulse buying. Give yourself time before making a purchase. If you still want the item after a waiting period, it's more likely to be a considered decision rather than an impulse buy. 12. DIY and repurpose. Consider DIY projects and repurposing items instead of buying new. This can save money on home decor, repairs, and even gifts. 13. Set up savings goals. Create specific savings goals for vacations, major purchases, or investments. Having designated accounts for each goal helps you track progress and stay motivated. 14. Prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in quality products that last longer, even if they have a higher upfront cost. This can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacements. 15. Track progress. Regularly review your budget and savings progress. Celebrate milestones and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Remember, saving money is a gradual process that requires discipline and consistency. Small changes can add up over time, leading to significant financial growth and peace of mind. Start implementing these strategies today and build a brighter financial future for yourself.